Hello students, welcome back once again to the English online classes. In previous class, we started the poem that is If, and I had given introduction about it, so let's start it now. In last class, I had explained means summary of the poem. In English, I had explained it. So today, I would like to explain it in Kannada. By that, it will be more easy for you to understand. Okay. The title of the lesson is If. Okay, the meaning of if in Kannada it is ಆದರೆ. ಈ ಪದ್ಯದ ಸಾರಾಂಶ ಏನಂದರೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಕವಿಯು ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ತಿಳಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಚ್ಛಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ನಾವು ಏನೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಕೆಲಸ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಕೆಲಸ ಯಾವಾಗ ಏಕೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ತಕ್ಷಣವೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೇಳಿ ಕವಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾರಿಗಾದರೂ ನಾವು ಏನೇ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ನಾಳೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಮುಂದೂಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದು. ನಾಳೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಅನ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಾಳೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಕೂಡ ಬದಲಾಗ್ಬೋದು, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ರೈಟ್, ಇಸಂಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಆಲ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ಯಾರಿಗಾದರೂ ದಾನ ಅಥವಾ ಧರ್ಮ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಧಾರಾಳವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಿಂದ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹಿಂಜರಿಬಾರ್ದು. ನಾವು ಯಾರಿಗಾದರೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಕ್ಷಣವೇ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಅದರಿಂದ ಅವರ ಮನಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಕೂಡ ಬದಲಾಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಮನೋಭಾವದಿಂದ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನಾಡ್ತಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ನುಡಿಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕನ್ನೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕವಿಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶವಾಗಿದೆ ಈ ಪದ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ. ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಗೆಳೆತನ ತೋರಿಸುವಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಬಂದರೆ ಆವಾಗ ನಾವು ತಕ್ಷಣವೇ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಮ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಸಾಹಸದಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬರ ಕಷ್ಟವನ್ನು ನೀಗಿಸ್ಬೋದಾದರೆ, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾದರೆ ತಕ್ಷಣವೇ ಅವರ ನೋವನ್ನು ನಾವು ನಿವಾರಿಸಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ಖುಷಿಪಡಿಸೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಕೆಲಸ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ನಾಳೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಥವಾ ನಾಳಿದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೂಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕವಿಯು ಹೇಳೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ನಾವು ಏನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೂ ಅದು ತಕ್ಷಣವೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಏನೇ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೂ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮುಂದೂಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದು. ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಕೆಲಸ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಗಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹಿಂಜರಿಬಾರ್ದು. ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಅಲ್ಲ 1000 ಸಲ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆದರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹಾಗೂ ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಖುಷಿ ಪಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಎಂದು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹಿಂಜರಿಬಾರ್ದು. ವಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹೆಸಿಟೆಂಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ವಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹೆಸಿಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಹಿಂಜರಿಬಾರ್ದು. ನಮ್ಮ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಕೆಲಸ, ನಮ್ಮ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಗುಣ ಇವತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾಳೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿಯುತ್ತದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ sure. So we have to be very good. We should learn good habits, good things like giving and sharing. We should grow good habits in our mind. Our good nature, our good habits, definitely one or the other day, our good deeds one or the other day, it will definitely holds our hands. It's true, children. Okay, so now let's start the poem. If you have a kind word to say it now. Ready to say some good words, say it now. He wanted to say, the poet wanted to say, if you are ready to say good words to someone, say it now. Don't wait for the other moment. Say it now itself. Don't wait for tomorrow. It may come or it may not come. We don't know what is going to happen next. It may be praising to someone or good words. By that words, if they feel happy, we will become happy too. If we have something good to say someone, we should say it immediately without wasting the time, and we should not look for the next moment. That is what he wanted to say here. If you have kind word to say it now. The second is, if you have something to give it now. If you have a major thing to give it to someone, you know that the opposite person is in need of particular thing. What do you know? That somebody is in need. He may be your brother, sister or friend or stranger, whoever it may be. If you know that they are in badly need of particular thing and you are having that thing, by giving it you can fulfill their needs, and by doing such thing God will be pleased by our nature. See students, happiness is in giving, not in taking, not in receiving. Our hands always should raise like king, like a great person who is always ready to give, not to take. Our hands always raise for giving, not for receiving. For example, if you hear voice of any beggar, if you have any amount with you, for example 5 or 10, that time you should give that amount to that person, that beggar. You should not wait for doing good. You are intending to do good something to someone, you have to do it immediately. The person who received from you, like that beggar or needed one, they are very near to God, and he may bless you with his words. The God may bless you with wonderful life because of your good nature of giving. Okay, and your good deeds always hold your hands. It returns back to you. It is true. Your good deeds always holds your hands in future. Next, if you can make someone glad or another less sad, do it now, do it now, do it now. So, how can you make someone glad, someone happy? Think that, for example, there is a birthday of your friend, parents, or brother or sister. If you buy any present for them, how they will feel? They will become happy by seeing your presentation. It's not matter of gift or money. If you buy something small also, which is with less price, they will feel happy. Not only that, by helping to the people who are in need, who are poor, who are distressed. If you help such people, you can make someone glad by helping them. By your action, by your deeds, you can make someone happy. So, time is very less. So, we have to do it now. So, the poet is telling here, do it now. Instead of waiting for next moment. Immediately, you have to do it now without thinking much. If you are intending to do something bad, you should think 1,000 times. So what will happen? The God will give you good peace of mind not to do that. Next, if there is good news to give it now. If there is friendship to show, hope you can raise, or someone you can praise, do it now, do it now, do it now. What does it mean? For example, we can take one of your friends that he secured first, second or third rank. That is good news for him, right? And you know the result before to him. You should tell him first. By that you can raise your friendship. If you want to be a friend of someone, so you may need not to wait for more time. You immediately go and raise your friendship. That means you have to offer your friendship to he or she. With this, you can develop your friendliness nature and loyalty. In this way, you can show your friendship. If there is a good news, you know it before. So, in this way, you can help your friend, you can show your friendliness nature. If your friend is in very bad condition, very badly needs your help, that time you have to show your friendship. It matters a lot to him. Hope you can raise, you can stand by yourself by doing that work. Or someone you can praise. If you get chance to praise someone, you have to praise. Do it now, do it now. Means without taking much time, you have to do the good deeds. Next, if you have trust to bestow, give it now. If there is courage to give, pain you can ease, or someone you can please, do it now, do it now, do it now. If you have that courage to give it now. Pain you can ease. If you can ease someone's pain by kind words, by good deeds, by helping them, you can comfort them to overcome of that pain, isn't it? Or someone you can please. If you get a chance to please, to make happy, do it now. Pain you can ease means whenever you get a chance to free someone from pain or any kind of worries, they have that you have to do. You have to try to take over from that pain, who is in worry, who is in badly suffering from any condition. Now before it is too late, now is the time for the good deed. Do not wait until tomorrow, for it may be just a little too late. See students, nowadays we are facing very bad pandemic disease. We are facing lots of problems because of COVID-19. This corona taught us a good lesson to us. Okay, and this is the applied to this poem also. For example, if you wanted to visit temple when there was no corona, you were intending to do that, to go temple or visit. What we were thinking? That we will go tomorrow. If we have that habit of setting our mind like we will do that work tomorrow, that tomorrow will never come. You did not do that. You want to regularize that habit, but you want to adopt it in your life. But what happened? Corona started. Everything is in lockdown due to corona. Not only who waited for their job, for many things, everything were shut down. So that if you are intending to do something to someone, so we have to do it that time itself, should not wait for other moments, should not take more time. This is the motive of, this is the theme of this poem, that we should not, if we are intending to do good something to someone, we have to do it immediately without thinking much, without taking much time.